how to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. So if you want to fix your TikTok creator tools not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening a TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you need to go with settings and privacy. Now, once you tap on settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of free up space. You need to tap on that. And then you'll have an option of clear cache. You need to tap on clear, which will be in the right side, and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then you need to scroll down again and you'll find an option of help center. Tap on it. From the help center, you need to go with report a problem. Scroll down and you'll find the report a problem option. You need to tap on report a problem. Go with your TikTok support page. Go with support tickets, or just simply tap on need more help and type in that even after doing everything that you can, you're not being able to see the TikTok creator tools and your problem may be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.